What is happening in the Coconut Grove real estate market? Here's a snapshot of where the market stands for the third quarter. Since we have waterfront homes in Coconut Grove, we highlight them in light blue. And even though they make up a small part of the market here, we still like to put them up. So you see active listings 107, 7 are waterfront, 100 are not, 35 closed sales, 9 and 11 months of supply, 48 days and 109 days on the market. The numbers look okay, not great. Below, we can clearly see that we have good sales activity up to $10 million. Then above 10 million, zero sales for the quarter, signaling a slowdown at the higher end. Next, we compare the third quarter to the previous 2 quarters to see if we can spot any trends. And look at this, most of the key indicators are down for the year. Actives, months of supply, and days on market are at the highest levels, while closed sales are at their lowest levels of the year. Overall, these numbers do not look good, but pricing seems to be holding. If you are a seller in Coconut Grove, these numbers don't look good. We are starting to see this market level off and move to a more balanced market, while pricing seems to be holding. The trick here is to price your home accordingly from the start. We also want you to know that this market will reward you if your home is in turnkey condition, but it will punish you if it is not. So please consider this before listing. For buyers, prices seem to be holding steady, but as you saw, the key indicators are down. Plus, now that interest rates have moved under 6.5%, these are all good signs for you. Overall, the numbers for the third quarter in the Coconut Grove real estate market are sending us mixed signals, as pricing seems to be holding while all other key indicators are down. Even though days on market has increased to 48 and 109, given the high median price sold of 2.4 million and 7.5 million, we feel that that is still good. Please take note that these are signs that the market is starting to level off to a more balanced market, typical of what happens in a correction. As I start my 20th year in Miami real estate, I've seen a lot of different markets, and I can tell you this is not doom and gloom, but this is exactly what happens in a correction. You just have to know how to navigate through it and be patient. So please make sure to work with a professional that can guide you through. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.